Students, today we begin yet another topic from chapter 6. So, as you know, we studied about aspects of stuffing. Remember? That tinta বস্তু আছিল কি কি আছিল recruitment, selection, training. Recruitment we completed everything. Today we will focus on selection. What is there in selection we will see. So in this video I'm going to cover three things: meaning of selection, steps in the process of selection, and difference between recruitment and selection. These three things will be covered. So let us see one by one what are these three things. Okay, students, in this slide we will try to understand selection mane ki. So selection or kotha tomalke ami jetia recruitment end hobo tar pasor pora selection start hobo. So you know, at the end of recruitment process both applications ahise, different candidates of para. So from those applications you have to choose the most suitable and the best one. Okay, because here if you have to filter sobok to tumi lobo nwara, you have to choose who is most suitable for the job position. So that is why the most suitable. So selection begins where recruitment ends, right? So selection is the process through which you decide who to choose and who to reject. So since in selection, you know, the number of rejections are more than the selected candidates, so selection is called a negative process. Why? Because the rejection numbers are more than the selection number. So if there are two posts, okay, and there are 10 applications, so how many you will reject? 8 applications you will reject and 2 you will accept. So tumi je 8 application reject koridla he karne koise that it is a negative process. Okay, so you can see in this picture very here they have portrayed it very well. So here you can see initially stage out there are so many people, then in the next stage, you know, the number of people get reduced. In the third stage also you can see people are reducing, and in the final stage you can see there is only one person left who has been selected. Okay, so this is the meaning of selection. So you filter kori after various stages, you reach to that one person who you are going to choose. Fine. So this is basically the meaning of selection. Fine. So today's next topic under selection is your steps. So in this chapter you have various processes. Stuffing process we studied. Now we will see steps in selection process. So as you can see, these are the steps. Okay, this is the chart. Okay, this is the chart as you can see, and this is the sequence. So prothome preliminary screening hobo, tapasot selection test, tapasot employment interview, tapasot reference and background checks, selection decision, medical examination, job offer, and finally contract of employment. So A2 sequence of stages kita ase selection or A kita stage ase. After that you choose the final candidate who is going to work in your organization. So one by one we will see each of these steps in the slides. Okay, so the step number 1 is your preliminary screening. So preliminary screening, preliminary মানে কি প্রথম যেটো stage selection of first the primary stage. ইয়াত আমি কি কৰো? So why it is done? Preliminary screening is done with the objective of eliminating all those applicants who do not fulfill. So you know, sometimes not so serious candidates, they also apply for the job. They don't fulfill the eligibility criteria, still they apply for the job. So why take them to the later stages to be initially how to eliminate criteria, because you know they are not fulfilling the requirements of your job. So it can be done either by just going through the applications that we gom pai jaba eta eta applications hoar pasot we gom paba that few applications will be rejected, or you might conduct in person very short interviews if you want. The organization can arrange, okay, for a very short interview. So from that interview only the organization can make out that these candidates are not eligible to be taken to the next stage, so they will be eliminated. They might be allowed asked to give us test or a short interview. So this is your preliminary screening where you eliminate candidates who are not useful to the job position, who you think are not eligible, and who you think you can't offer them or you can't give them employment. So this is your first stage. Huh? After preliminary screening is over, we go to selection tests. So you here you can see test বুলি লিখা আছে ন, so that means ইয়াত আমি examinationৰ কথা পাতিম, তাত কিছুমান exams পতা হ'ব, number of tests. So কেতিয়াবা কি হয় selection to যদি person to person হয় নহয়, কেতিয়াবা biasness হ'ব পাৰে. So that is why these tests are conducted, so that তাত কোনো partiality bias যেন নাথাকে, and the candidates can be tested on different parameters in different areas. Okay, in different ways they can be tested, and also it is free from any kind of personal bias or prejudice. That's what I told you. To make fair selection, you conduct this kind of tests. So what are the tests? So number one is your intelligence test. So it is basically they will test your reasoning power, your quantitative abilities. All this will be tested here. Then your aptitude test. Aptitude test is basically how quick the person is acquiring new skills, how quick they are learning something new related to the job that they are going to do. So that is your aptitude test. Then what do we have? Personality test. So this is basically if the person is very easy to work with, whether they are very open or they are very reserved kind of person, how they are. They are very loud spoken or very soft spoken, or they're or you know they the way they their body language and everything. সেইখিনি বস্তু ইয়াত টেষ্ট কৰা হ'ব, personality test. Okay, their maturity and everything, their honesty and their values, what they believe in, good habits, all this thing. Then as a tomorrow trade test. Trade test mane specifically he চাকৰিটো কৰিব হলে, so it might be related to the, suppose it is the position of an engineer, so engineering related কিছুমান that questions সোধা হ'ব, whether the person knows the engineering যিটো post open হৈছে সেইটো কাৰণে the person knows it or not, the various things about various concepts. And then we have your interest tests. So it's basically what the person likes or dislikes. Okay, the person might be liking sports, the person might be liking to cultural activities. So all those things are tested here, how those interests can help the person to do good in the job. Okay, so all these things, interest tests dekha hobo, whether the person likes to read books. If you're a teacher, they will see how the person is well read or not, uh, whether the person knows various other things apart from the subject matter. So all this thing is tested through this various selection tests. Fine. The third step in the process of selection is your employment interview. So interview, it's a one-to-one face-to-face interaction. That is basically the idea of an interview. So a test, the selection test obviously gives an idea, but when you sit face-to-face with the person, you can observe more. যিকেইটা বস্তু আমি selection testত cover কৰিব নোৱাৰি, সেইকেইটা বস্তু আমি ইয়াত চাব পাৰি. So aspects which are not covered in selection test are used to cover in the interview. So what kind of things? They will ask direct one-to-one question hoda habo. And so here you can see in this picture, so this is the interviewer and here is the your interviewee looking for the job. So this person is here who is looking for the job. So this person is looking for the job and this person is taking the interview. So you can see the kind of questions, what motivates you, describe your work style, tell me about yourself. So all these things, the interviewer tests the presence of mind, that bohi in front of the people, whether the candidates are able to answer them properly or not, whatever they are asked, whether they have can instantly recall and say it or not. So heikhini bostu interview loa hoise so that they can make a proper decision. So this is about your, so you will see any kind of exams, big posts that you are after clearing your exams, you have to say, if you're going for UPSC or anything, so after clearing your exams you have to sit for the interview. So This is a regular thing about every job that you go for. Okay, so this is about your employment interview. Third, next step 4 is reference and background checks. So ইয়াত কি চোৱা হ'ব, ইয়াত the the company will try to gather information about the candidates. Okay, so ইহঁতি আগতে ক'ত কাম কৰিছিল, what is their background, from which college institute they have passed out, what are their degrees, and আগৰ boss লগতো কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ relationship আছিল, আগৰ workplace how the person was. So the applicant is asked to give 2 to 3 reference of the people in the same profession to establish credibility. Okay, so whether the person was an honest or not, or did he do any corruption in the previous workplace, এইখিনি বস্তু ইয়াত চোৱা হ'ব. His or her, so if needed, his or her previous or current employer may be contacted in order to verify the details supplied by the candidate. So whatever things are, see, in the application form মানুহে বহুত বস্তু লিখি দিব পাৰে, false things. So সেইকেইটা to confirm কৰিব লাগিব যে সঁচাকে the person has achieved all this or not, or এনেই লিখি থৈছে, right? So this is your reference and background check. So you here it is about the education and employment, and reference checks are they will contact your past employees. Okay, the past colleagues, ইহঁতৰ লগত company এটা chat কৰিব পাৰে about the candidate. So this is about your reference and background checks. Next, the step 5 is your selection decision. So once the genuineness means okay, the candidate is honest, sincere, okay, has done very well in the previous job, so the organization has to take a decision about hiring the candidate. So for every job position, 2 to 3 candidates are shortlisted. So again, here also the final candidate is not chosen. There is still time to get that one final candidate, but 2 to 3 people are shortlisted. Because কেতিয়াবা কি হয় না, some people might get the job but they might not do the job because of the terms and conditions. They might not like it, so that is why 2 to 3 people are chosen here. At the time of making the final selection, it is important to see the manager or superior under whom the candidate is placed. So obviously, staffing is an activity which is done by every department. Although the hiring may be done for the finance department, it is not just the human resource department who will look after staffing. The finance department head will also see who is coming and joining the department, their finance department. So it is very important to take everybody's opinion. Every manager under whom the candidate is going to work, it is important their opinion is also taken. This is about your selection decision. Next, we have medical examination. So this is basically your fitness test. How fit the candidate is. Is the candidate suffering from high blood pressure? That means the candidate cannot work under high stress condition. Nervous ho jabo, faint ho jabo, tenege. So a medical examination is advised in order to ascertain that the candidate does not suffer from any serious ailment, any disease or anything that is there. The candidate should not. So if the candidate is going to fly planes, okay, it is the job of a pilot. So obviously the candidate should have a very clear vision, and they should not be very nervous. They should be very confident and all that. Okay. So in case of small organization, candidates are asked to bear the expenses, while in large organizations, the organization will bear the cost. So it depends on what kind of organization it is. Small organizations will ask the candidate that you get your fitness test done, your eye test, your cardio test, heart related issues if you have all this thing. Because there are certain jobs where fitness is very important, like I said in case of pilots and all, right? In sales job also there will be lot of pressure, lot of কেতিয়াবা customer বেয়াকে কথা পাতি দিব. So if তুমি যদি বহুত emotional হোৱা, if you get very emotional and all by listening to your customers, then you will not be able to survive there. Then if you are working for certain corporates, you have to work for long hours. Okay, you have to work for uh, 12 13 14 hours. Okay, so you will have to have the ability to handle the pressure. So here medical examination is very important. Then ase tumar job offer. So job offer কেতিয়া কৰা হ'ব after the completion of medical examination. So মই কৈছিলো নহয় selectionত দুটা তিনিটা মানুহক লৈছে, medical examination হৈ গ'ল. Now the person they have found the candidate who is fit in all ways. Selection test to bhal, interview bhal hol, medical examination also was very good. So finally the selected candidate is presented a job offer. So it contains a proposal in terms of information about the job. So the selected candidates may negotiate on certain issues. So obviously finally you will be made the offer that please join the or the candidate will be informed that the candidate has been selected for the job, for the vacancy. So and there will be any questions to the candidates or kiba question thake, they can clarify on that. Okay, in case the candidate is not happy, he or she has the option to decline it. Hey karone duta tinta manuhok shortlist kori loisile, so that if one person declines it, the next person can get the job. Fine. So this is about your job offer. Then we have contract of employment. So if the person accepts the job offer, the next moment is your this signing of your contract. So here you can see in this picture the person is signing a contract, and okay, so the candidate now becomes an employee. Candidate koi asilu, but now that the job is accepted and the candidate signs the contract, that means now the candidate is ready to take up the job and he or she has now become employee of that organization. So if selected candidate accepts the job, it refers to signing of contract of employment. So that ki thakibo contract of employment. It contract of employment contains things like title, duties, responsibilities. What are the things that are there about the job? Okay, hours of work, work rules, leave rules. Okay, date of joining, salary, salary bahir aru ki diya hobo, everything is specified in that. Usually candidates are issued a letter of appointment within a day or two of joining the organization. So once the employee signs the contract, takes the job, after a few days they are also given the letter of appointment, which is a formal acceptance that the person is going to work for the company from now on. That is your letter of appointment. And with this, the selection process comes to an end. Fine. So these are the various steps you should remember in exact sequence. মই যেনেকে বুজাই গলো তেনেকে এটা এটাকে তোমালোকে লিখিব লাগিব. So here is an example which again just like you can whatever we discussed from till now, so all this is written properly here, whatever steps we discussed. Okay, goteita steps eta example through the likha hoise from step 1 to step 8. So I will send this to you, tomaloke to reading korile gom pa jaba what I was talking about in each of the steps. Now we'll see recruitment versus selection. You can see in this picture, right? Recruitment is what bahut manu, like lot of people are coming, right? They are coming and applying. And selection at here what this one person has been chosen, tick mark dekhisa yet, right? Okay, out of all these people this one person has been chosen. This is basically the basic difference. So selection is what? Don't start with it, write recruitment here. Okay, so recruitment is a process of searching suitable candidates. Okay, it is basically searching for candidates. And selection mane ki, so ya to 8 likha hai, selection boli likhiba. Selection is a process of screening and selecting the most eligible candidate, the best candidate. Stage recruitment precedes the staffing function. So তোমালোকে staffing में পঢ়িছিলে recruitment কেতিয়া আহে selection আgot. And staffing always starts where recruitment, oh sorry, it is staffing নহয়, it is selection hobo, sorry re yat bhul hoy ase. Here it will be selection. So selection always start where recruitment ends. So this is about your selection. It is a positive process. Why? More and more candidates are encouraged to apply, because lot of people, they are encouraged, they apply with the hope that they might get the job. It is a negative process, selection. Why? Because more candidates are rejected than the number of selected candidates. And here what we have, there is no contractual relation created. Okay, recruitment is what? You are just applying for the job. That's it. You go and apply. That কোনো company তোমাক একো promise নকৰে যে তোমাক চাকৰি দিবই apply কৰিছা বুলি, right? So you just go and apply for the job. And selection involves contract of service between employer and employee. Selection দেখিছাই ন last step কি দেখিলো আমি signing of contract. This is the final thing. After this you become an employee. From candidate you become an employee after the selection process ends, right? So this is about your recruitment versus selections. So with this I end this video, and I hope everything is clear, whatever I taught you till here.